Hello, I am Nahida and welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a refreshing and nutritious Badam Milk Sharbat. This creamy, nutty and cooling drink is perfect for hot days and packed with health benefits. First, take half cup almonds and soak them in warm water for 15 minutes. Peel the almonds and set aside. Soak the almonds properly to ensure a smooth texture. Chop 12 to 15 dates for natural sweetness. Add the peeled almonds, chopped dates and half cup milk. Dates act as a natural sweetener, reducing the need for added sugar. Pour them into a blender. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, which enhances memory. Use fresh and soft dates for easy blending and natural sweetness. Now in a pan, heat 1 liter of milk. Add the blended almond and date mixture and stir well. Milk and almonds support strong bones and teeth. Let it boil for 5 minutes while stirring occasionally. Cook the milk mixture on low flame to avoid burning. Add 1/4 cup of sugar and mix well. Add honey instead of sugar for a healthier version. In a small bowl, take 3 tablespoons milk and mix 1 tablespoon custard powder until smooth. Pour this mixture into the boiling milk and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until slightly thickened. Keep aside and allow it to cool completely. Now take 1 tablespoon sabja or basil seeds and soak in 1/4 cup of water for 5 minutes. Sabja seeds are known as tuk maria in some cultures and have been used in Ayurvedic remedies for centuries. Once the seeds swell up, they are ready to use. In a serving bowl, pour the cooled almond milk, add soaked sabja seeds, dry fruits, and ice cubes. The combination of almond and sabja make it a powerhouse of nutrients. Chill the sharbat for at least 30 minutes for the best taste. Stir well and serve chilled. Almond-based drinks have been enjoyed since ancient times for their cooling effects. This sharbat is a perfect drink for fasting as it keeps you full and hydrated. Would you like to see a special almond-based dessert next? Comment below. Love refreshing and healthy drinks? Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious and easy drink recipes.